Ramogi ohelni matindo osebedo kod pek mar tayo chenro magi kendo kwan mag jogo matimo ohelnigo osebedo kadok piny e thuolo mar higni 5 mokalo. Nonro manotim kod riwruok mar Financial Sector Deepening (FSD) yango ni ohelni matindo ni kod pek mar yudo hola, kano omenda yo makare kaachiel kod tiegruok mar dongo ohala magi. Nonro manotim e kaunti ma Kisumu, Nairobi kod Kwale bende yango ni thoth ohelnigo itimo kod joma mine.
There is a declining number of households who say that their primary income is from business. Since 2016, it went from 18% to 16% in 2019. And then perhaps COVID exacerbated this further, bringing it down to only 13% in the 2021 collection. When we think of micro firms or micro enterprises, we see more women or micro enterprises than men. Probably not going to surprise you. If you're from Kenya, you know Mama Mboga, the village stalls, market stalls, more women. But when we come to this small firm definition of 1 to 20 paid non-family employees, it's about half-half men and women, which is interesting.